In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an insurance calculator in Wix. Unfortunately, since Wix doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked through the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then I want you to focus on this form section in the middle of the screen right here. Then I want you to click on option number 2, which is calculator. That will then take you to the calculator widgets page. From here, I want you to click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken down to the calculator template section. So in our case, since we want to create an insurance calculator, what we want to do is go down to the categories here, and then I want you to click on the finance calculators section. What that's going to do is take you to all the different finance calculator templates that are currently available. There's over 30. And in that case, since we want to make an insurance calculator, the closest one will be this car insurance calculator, at least for now. Now, bear in mind that these templates are fully customizable. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen. You can also add additional formulas to the calculator. That way we can make it truly tailored to your specific needs. So it doesn't actually have to be car insurance. It could be any other type of insurance, whatever it might be. And I'm going to show you how to set it up in detail in the next sections. But for now, simply go ahead and choose this or any of the other financial calculators that you see right here. In my case, like I said, I'm going to stick with this one here because it most closely mimics what I'm trying to design. So yeah, once you select the template, click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this section, which is where you can start customizing your insurance calculator. Now, bear in mind on the right hand side here, this template is fully functional at the moment. So here on the left hand side, you have the fields, which are reflective of this particular section right here, the fields. And then you have the calculations, which basically give you this final output right here based on what you input in these fields on the left hand side, as you can see. So the first thing you want to do here is go ahead and build out your insurance calculator. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and add all the different fields that you want to have as part of the calculator itself. At the moment, since this is a car insurance calculator, we have vehicle value, deductible, and coverage type. Like I said, we can customize any of these, so go ahead and add new ones by clicking on add field right here and then choosing one of these. In order to edit any of these, simply click on them like that, and then here you can change the label, you can change the hint, the minimum value, the maximum value, and a bunch of other settings here. You can also set conditional logic if that makes sense for you. Then at the bottom here, you'll see the calculations for this calculator. We have monthly premium and annual premium. Just like the fields, they can be fully customized if you click on them like that. This is the formula that has been used. If you want to change the formula, you can add it yourself or edit it yourself. Alternatively, you can also generate a new formula with AI. All you have to do is simply describe what you're looking for, and then the AI will automatically generate the formula for you. Now, if you want to design your own insurance calculator completely from scratch, you can either add the fields and the formulas manually yourself with the help of AI. Alternatively, what you can do is go to generate calculator right here in the top. What that's going to do is basically allow you to generate the exact type of insurance calculator that you're looking for through the power of AI. All you have to do is describe the calculator you want here. At the bottom here, you also see some instructions that you can follow, kind of like pointers, so you can make it the exact calculator that you want. But yeah, once you're done with building out the insurance calculator that you're looking for, on the left hand side, you also see style and settings. These are the design customizations that you can take advantage of to make this insurance calculator truly your own. So the first customization that we can make here is the style. If you flick through these, you can see how the style of the calculator changes. You can also change the font here. You can change the background color. In my case, at the moment it's transparent, but I'll change it to white because I want it to stand out a little bit better on my Wix website. It doesn't have to be a white background. It could be a gradient, could be an image, could be a video, and yeah, just basically choose what works best for you. Then at the bottom here, you also have some padding, horizontal, vertical, etc. Then at the bottom here, you can also change some of the calculator's settings. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of here. I'll leave this up to you to explore. But once you're ready with building out the insurance calculator that you're looking for, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up and you'll be taken to a new page, which is this one. This is where we have to publish the widget. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see this green publish button. I want you to click on it, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, that might be the perfect plan for you. Do know that it does come with some Elfsight branding. So if you're looking for a 100% ad-free widget, or if you want to take advantage of any of of the other functionalities that you see listed right here, such as being able to get more than 200 views on the widget, or if you want to take advantage of more than one widget from Elfsight on your Wix website, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from, and if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, choose the plan that works best for you, and then you automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your insurance calculator. It will look just like this. Click on copy code, and then let's head over to Wix so we can start integrating it. Now, the first thing I want you to do is head over to your Wix editor, go to the page of the website. In my case, I'm on the home page here, and the section where you want to add your insurance calculator to. In my case, I want it on this page right here on the home page, and then I want it in this particular section, column number 1. Once you've selected a section that you want to add it to, go ahead and click on search in the top right corner of the screen and search for HTML. Then you will see this embeds button. I want you to click on it, and then on the left hand side you'll see a new window open up. I want you to click on embed HTML, and then what that's going to do is add this code block to your Wix website. From here, simply paste the code we just copied from Elfsight, click on update, close this down, and here is your insurance calculator. All you have to do now is go ahead and resize it accordingly. In my case, it's a bit bigger, but yeah, play around with the resizing and then you'll figure out the exact size that best suits your needs. I'll just leave mine like this. Maybe it's a bit bigger actually. I just want to show you what it looks like by default and how well it functions. I'm going to preview, and then let's take a look. And they have it here is my formula. This is what it looks like. Super nice and clean. As you can see, it's also fully functional. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to create an insurance calculator in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.